Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up and use Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and keep it extremely safe. This phrase is your only way to restore your wallet if you lose access, so never share it. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some crypto into it. You can easily buy various cryptocurrencies directly through the app using a credit or debit card. Alternatively, if you already own crypto on an exchange or another wallet, you can transfer it to your Trust Wallet. Just be sure to always double-check the receiving address to avoid any costly mistakes. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, just like you manage your crypto, manage your meals with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They make meal prep a breeze. Check the description below for the link to these and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Trust Wallet offers more than just storage. You can explore a world of decentralized applications, or dApps, right from its built-in browser. Many users also stake their supported cryptocurrencies directly within the app to earn passive income. It's a versatile tool for managing a wide range of digital assets, all from one convenient and secure location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.